Hey everybody, how you doing? Bagheera 2021 back at you again. At the stopped by an old turn of the century farm that's by my house. Just figured I'd stop, see if I could get permission, and the guy actually gave me permission because there's some farm pieces that he's looking for that he lost over time. So he's hoping I can find them, which is why I actually got the permission. So while I'm here, he said, anything you find I can keep. So here's the house. It's a pretty old house. You can tell it's got like the rock foundation there. So I've been finding a lot of stuff. I just figured I wasn't gonna do a video. I still gotta ask him if I can even do a video. So if you don't see this video, he didn't give me permission. But here's kind of a cool piece. I'll have to go back and show you some of the other pieces that I found actually so far. Just what old CCR going on here. Probably horse rein. It's kind of cool. Just dug that up. Some of the other things found here. The old brass. The ends to the the horse harness. That's broke off. A buckle to the horse. Some kind of horse stuff. And then let me walk over, show you the other stuff I found so far. It's a beautiful day here in Michigan. This is nuts. It's the beginning of December and it's almost 50 degrees out here. So this is what he wants me to find too, are some posts that he dug that he can't find. Here's like some old piece. I'm going big. I've got to find anything because what these pieces are made out of is this stuff. So these are like old pieces here, all plow points and stuff. I'm thinking this is kind of cool. I think this is one of the old the files to do the horse's hoofs, a hoof file. So that's kind of cool. Thing's probably 16 inches. And this is an awesome find. Look at that. Chevrolet. So it's an old side of a car. That's kind of cool. And then just other miscellaneous pieces so far. So hopefully I'll come back and show you what I found. So I'll start bringing you into the digs. So later. Alright everyone, here's the very next hole after I did that video. My intro. Here's how big the item is. So it's something huge. You can tell it's something huge. So I figured we'd do the reveal together so you could see ground moving. I don't know if I'll be able to do this with the camera. We'll see. But it's something big. I'm gonna have to stop the video because here comes the owner. Alright everyone. The owner helped me dig up that piece. It was a big old board with lots of nails in it, and then like right in the middle was like a long pipe, like a water pipe fitting with a 90-degree angle is what I was picking up. So here he already filled in the hole, so I didn't get the camera back out, but here's another one. So I just lifted it up and I see it coming out of the hole, so I opened up the camera. So let's figure out what we got here. Let's see it. What is this? Is that a sprinkler? Looks like a sprinkler head. Yeah, it looks like it's an old sprinkler head, probably for the farm. That's cool. So you just turn it on and there's this water comes out. Looks like the ones that you have in the buildings with the round thing there. Alright, later. Alright, I dug a little bit of the hole, and then I just see way down here somewhere. I'm just gonna pull it out if I can. There we go. I got it. That's an old hinge. Old barn hinge. Look, it's still got the nails and everything in there. That's what it is. It's fun digging. Instead of digging in parks and finding all the coins and stuff, gives you a little break. Kind of find some interesting stuff when you actually turn off your discrimination and dig the holes when it beeps. Cool. Later. Alright, on to the next. I flipped open the plug already. It's in the corner over here. Way over there. See it? I just like uncovered all of it. But let's pull it out. There we go. What we got? Dude, this could be. He told me he was looking for a bearing. Dude, I wonder if this is a bearing. I wonder if this is what the hell he was looking for. It's not useful now, but dude, he said he's looking for a bearing. That's totally a bearing off of something, or a wheel. That's cool. That could totally be what the hell he was looking for. That's neat if it is. Awesome. Hopefully that's what he was looking for. It doesn't matter. It's not going to do him any good. There's no way you could ever be able to use that again. But it was a bearing off of something. Here's the middle part, and then the outer side's going to have the bearings on it. Cool. Alright everyone, flipped open the plug. Look at this thing, whatever the hell it is. I have no idea. Something big and round. Look at that, whatever it is. No idea. Let's pull the baby out. Oh, there's gotta be something off of it. What do you think that is? Oh, you know what that is? That's like one of those, you know, those big, like, containers, the drum containers from way back when. They're, you know, 2-3 foot tall and, you know, foot or so wide, 2 foot, and then that's the lid. That's the lid to one of those things. That's exactly what that is. That's cool. That's fun. Cool stuff. On to the next. Alright, hey everyone, I'm all done for today. The farmer's, I don't know, he's got somewhere to go or something, so I have to leave. But I didn't find any coins. You saw all the stuff I found. Pretty much, you know, all the good stuff. So I hope you liked the video. It's kind of different. It's fun digging this stuff, you know, instead of digging all the coins and all the kind of, you know, normal stuff you're looking for. But this is fun stuff too, just in a different way. But hopefully you liked the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that other good stuff, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.